How to fix download folders not responding on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you the simplest way in which you can fix the downloads not working. So let's begin. First, just go ahead and open up your downloads. Now this is my downloads, and if it's not working, all I'll do is right click on downloads, and here you will see the properties section. Tap on properties. You can simply do alt enter 2, and this is going to show you your properties. Now here you can see your general, your sharing option, security option, customization option. Just go to customization and choose to restore it to the default. Tap on restore default, tap on apply, and just hit OK. Now you can go to the general and go ahead with the advanced options too. Here, if you have any different settings, just make sure this is set to default too. Just after doing all of that, simply tap on apply and then tap on OK. And that should fix your problem about your desktops with downloads not properly working and not responding. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.